Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel That Brown Closet. In today's video we'll be discussing about a very viral skincare product which is Tonymoly Wonder Ceramide Mochi Toner. You guys know my love for Korean skincare products and I can literally swear by this toner. Coming from a dry skin family, I can literally swear by it. Let's talk about it. This is a huge bottle of 1300 rupees. It says that you can apply this toner, it will give you a bouncy mochi like skin. It will intensely hydrate your skin, nourish your skin. So this is like a very thick texture. It's not like it's like a milky toner, but it's not as thin as milk. It's like when you boil rice and then you have that starchy water, it's like that, and it smells like lime. It has a very beautiful fragrance. Okay, so as you can see, this is how the consistency of the toner looks like. It's like running consistency, but it's not very watery, to be very honest. So here I am showing you the consistency of this particular product. This is the exact consistency of this product. It is not very thin liquidy like water, and yes, and that is the reason that it acts like a very beautiful moisturizer. So without any further ado, I will also be talking about 3 different uses of this particular toner as to how differently you can use this toner according to your skin type. The very first method is to layer it as a moisturizer for intense glow, for intense hydration on your skin. Many of us, especially in winters, suffer from dry patches on our skin. Personally, मेरे nose के around, eyes के around, I had literally so many dry patches until I got this toner from Nike on sale. मैं इसको layer करती रहती हूँ. I apply and then I dab it, then I apply more, I dab it, I apply more, I dab it until my skin absorbs it completely. This is like an elixir my skin loves to drink, and then I wake up with a very soft hydrated skin. Second way is to use a hydrating cream after you use the toner for skin, very soft skin, especially before makeup. Whenever you want to do your makeup, so what you do, you apply this toner, one layer, and then on top of that layer of toner apply a hydrating moisturizer. The one which I'm applying here is by Fay Beauty. It's very hydrating, very nourishing. This toner will prep your skin beautifully for makeup. Trust me, whenever you do your makeup, just apply this toner, let it absorb, apply some moisturizer, and then start. Your makeup will never ever look patchy with this. The third way to use this toner is to clean impurities of skin. Yes, if you guys don't know, a toner is meant to remove the dirt, excessive oil, and impurities of your skin. Whenever you want to do makeup, or whenever you're traveling, you're out, you want to clean your skin, just take this toner on a cotton ball and just simply swipe it onto your skin, and you will have a very beautiful skin. It will remove all the dirt. If you like the video, do not forget to subscribe and share this. Bye bye.